Hello everyone, today I am going to give a care guide of the plant called Cryptocoryne vanittii tropica. It is a very slow grower plant. You can use it as a carpeting plant as well as in the mid ground for a focal point to view. As I have planted in the foreground for the carpeting, it is a very heavy root feeder plant. It requires root tablets like this root tablets because it is a root feeding plant. It requires nutrition rich substrate to grow in. If you cannot provide a nutrition rich substrate, you can use root tablets of Tropica or Ocean Free, and you have to dose liquid fertilizers as per your needs, or as the bottle suggests, to put the liquid fertilizer in it, or you can put liquid fertilizer in the weekly water changes. It is a very slow growing plant. It propagates through its new plants or plantlets which are grown from its rosette, near its rosette, like I can show you, like this. From the ground level it grows new plants, and I have this plant as well, which is Cryptocoryne vanittii brown, which I will tell you later on. Cryptocoryne vanittii tropica is a very short plant. It does not grow very tall, or it remains in the height of at least 3 centimeters. It is a very good plant, and it requires low to high light, and if you can provide CO2, it is very good. It do best in CO2. If you are using root tablets, so you can put at least 2 to 3 root tablets near its roots, which will give you best results from this plant. As you can see, this plant, which is Cryptocoryne vanittii tropica, it grows at least 1 to 2 leaves per week, or you can say it can grow around 5 to 7 leaves in a month if you provide it with sufficient light, fertilizers, CO2, and you have to maintain a good flow of water circulation in the aquarium. You should put liquid fertilizers in the tank which you have planted in it. It requires daily light of at least 6 hours, or you can increase it up to 8 hours, not more than that. Otherwise it will cause algae on this plant, and it requires at least 18 degrees Celsius temperature to 26 degrees Celsius, but it can do fine, or you can say it can grow very well in around 28 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and it requires a pH between 6.5 pH to 7 or 7.5 pH. It is native to Asia, or southern India, or in Sri Lanka. It is very common plant. You can use it, and I can say it is a must try plant for the beginners who are new in this hobby. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this.